Hello folks, this is Weaves from Slide Nerd. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about how to get up and running with Java. So one of the first tools we are gonna need is the Java Development Kit or the JDK. We are gonna go find this tool, download it, install it, and get started. That's what we are gonna do in this video. So what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna do something which you guys always do. Google stuff. So if you go to download JDK, the first link, probably you wanna click I am feeling lucky on Google. So now if you see, here you have all your Java versions. There are a lot of things over here and you're probably wondering what the hell is this, man. Go to the topmost link, the one which says Java SE and some number with it. You see two things, Java, JDK, JRE. You don't need to worry about what they are. Just download something called JDK. Click download. So now it's gonna present me with a lot of options as to which operating system I'm using. You're probably using Linux or Mac or Solaris or Windows. So here's the thing, I'm running on Windows 7. I'm running 64-bit. Now if you guys are probably not familiar with how to know whether it's a 32-bit or a 64-bit, I'll tell you what to do. Go to start, type DXDIAG and click enter. So if you see in this place, the operating system, it says Windows 7 Ultimate 64-bit for me. So let it be that case. I'll download the 64-bit version. Okay, I'm accepting it, fine. I'll accept the license agreement over here, then click download. So at this point it's gonna start download. Alright, I downloaded the file to my desktop. Here's the exe file, as you can see over here. I'm gonna click it, run it. Yeah. Okay, now it's talking about, yeah, click next. And I'm installing it to my C program files. Click next. If you're using Windows 32-bit, this is going to go into C program files x86 instead of my normal program files folder. Wait for the install to complete. And yeah, one more thing, you don't need to download JRE anymore. This JDK version is packaged with JRE, which means both are included in the same exe file. Oh, 3 billion devices, eh? Okay, so at this point the Java installation is done. I'm gonna click close. Okay, so now the JDK thing is done. We are gonna test if it's working. We are gonna go to the program folders where it is installed. C program files, Java, JDK, fine, bin. Okay, now let's make a test class and see if this works. At this point we have installed the JDK, but how do you know if it was installed successfully? I mean, how do you know if Java is there in your system? It's one way to find it out. We go to start, run, cmd, run as an administrator. Yeah, I'm gonna go back to C drive. Now if you type Java over here, you get a big list, and now this shows that the system is installed correctly. Okay guys, at this point, now that we know that Java has been installed correctly, I'm gonna try a test program and see if this works out perfectly. I'm gonna make a new file over here on the desktop. It's called test.java. Change the extension from txt to Java. Yeah. Okay, now here inside I'm gonna put one very simple statement. If you are not familiar with the instructions right now, you don't need to worry about what they mean. You just need to copy paste this. Okay, that's all. I'm simply printing hi on the screen. That's the code. I'm gonna make a class over here. Alright, that's all. We are done with this. Press Ctrl S and save it. And now we are gonna take this file. The problem is this. Right now it's on the desktop. you can't run it from here because there is something called path that needs to be set yet. I'll show you exactly in the future videos how that is done, but right now we need to take this right into some folder which I'm gonna specify right now. Just take a look, cut this out, computer, C, program files, where your Java was installed, Java. If you see, there's JDK and JRE. JDK is the one which we are going to be working with, so take JDK in. Now this is bin folder. Inside this folder, go and paste it. Yeah, continue. Okay, now it's pasted. So what we need to do is, we need to use something, one of these tools to run this test file. I'm going to show you which tool it is. We go to start, run, cmd, run as administrator, yes. Okay, now we are gonna go to the same bin directory via command line, cd backslash cd program files. I don't know if this will work. Yep, cd java. Okay, now I don't know what's inside. I'll say dir. It's gonna say jdk. You see this jdk thing over here? We are simply trying to go to the same folder through command line. That is cd jdk 1. Click enter, cd bin. Okay, now we are going to use the command java c to run this. You just need to say java c space and this file name, which is your test.java. Click enter. Okay, it's compiled. If you see, and the proof that it is compiled is this file, test.class. This has been generated right now in front of your eyes. If you go back to the video, you can see it actually happening. So now I'm gonna run this by saying java space test. Don't put .java over here, just the space and the file name test. Okay, now it says hi over here. This ensures that Java was installed successfully and is running. In the next video, I'm gonna talk about setting a path so that you can run this from anywhere on your PC. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe to my channel and I'll see you folks later.